Hello and welcome to a daily vlog. Today I have one big mission, and that is to clean every single one of my drawers and declutter, get rid of, and really think to myself, do I need it? Does it add value? And just get rid of. So, I'm going to start. Oh, I gotta think of where I'm gonna start. There's just so many. I think I'm gonna start with these drawers first, drawers in my closet second, my side tables, my desk, my makeup, my console, and then underneath my bed and that little thing, and then the rest of my closet. I know I did my closet clean out, which is still looking fantastic. I just moved my pants over here, my jacket's all over there, and it still looks really nice and neat, which I'm very happy about. But I think there are some things that I should just get rid of, and so let's get started with this mess. I'm gonna listen to some music, so it's just gonna be B-roll, but let's get started with the junk of junk drawers. Okay, so I just finished eating and now to work on my dresser, which I'm not looking forward to because I really have to like purge all the shit that I do not use and donate and just really just fix everything. So again, I'm gonna put some music on and we're gonna get to it. Okay, so I finally cleaned all the things that I need to clean, dressers. I didn't get to clean my makeup, but there's nothing really in there that needs to be really organized and fixed. I cleaned my desk. I didn't film it though because I was just in the hyper focus mode. There's my again. I cleaned my side table. Those are all nice and clean, which I'm very excited about that I got that done. Underneath there is also all set. I got rid of basically all of these things that I need to just put in a bag. I got rid of all these clothes, a full bag worth. And then my closet is the only thing I didn't get to. These drawers, which I'm gonna get to right now. I'm gonna finish. Oh, hello Al, come on in. So let's get these drawers done. So I finally finished everything that I need to do. Everything is organized, put away. I got 2 donation bags, 1 garbage, which is incredible. I feel better that everything is gone and organized. Now my sister wants to go for a walk on the beach, and then we're gonna go home, change, and then go out and get tacos. So let's go for a walk. So we just got back from dinner, and I'm gonna close this vlog out, and I will see you next Friday for another video. Bye!